Good morning, everybody. We are ready to get started. We'll start the day with yesterday, where we finished off. Look, $1,083 in 37 trips. That is good news because we have Saturday and Sunday still to drive. Goal today is very simple, $217 minimum. That should put me at around $1,300. If I can get more, we'll take it. It's a Saturday. If not, $217 is more than enough for me. If we look at yesterday's breakdown, we made $213 in 5 hours active, 14 hours online, and 6.5 trips because one idiot canceled on me. I'm sorry, Father, my bad. I shouldn't call him an idiot. Well, the dude forgot his wallet and his wife or girlfriend was pissed, man. And I had to deal with the cancellation and lose money. That would have been an extra $10 in here. Okay, my friends, look, the app is already on in the background. Look at these fake clouds. Nothing. I've had it on for 5 minutes. We're going to put it in timeout. We're going to say no. Over here, check it out. Let me show you how many miles I drove yesterday. Yesterday, if you look down here, where are you? There you go. I drove 290 miles to make $213 or $17. That's not bad. So take 40, 50 away from me getting to the first place where I can possibly get a passenger. So 250 miles. Let's just make sure we got the exact number right. 250 miles for, go back to Friday, $213. That's not bad. It's not 1-to-1 ratio, but I'm working on it. Today might be lucky. All right. Today's theme is the same as yesterday. Number 1, daily podcast theme. Slow it down, my friends. Talking real fast, so we'll slow it down. And then I command, instruct, and direct my mind, body, and soul to be in perfect alignment with God, with the universe. And Father, Jesus, Allah, God, send love out to all my passengers and put your armor around me and protect me. Take me from passenger to passenger safely, and everybody that watches my YouTube channel, that comments on my YouTube channel, that likes my videos, and that shares my video. Father, protect them all. Give them abundance, give them wealth, give them health, and give them good, new, friendly, happy relationships. And that's how we roll, fellas. Now, let me go get gas. Okay, I got my gas. Let's take a look at my boys, everyone that's uploaded a new video. New Year slow DoorDash. Oh man, that's depressing. I don't watch anything depressing. I need to be happy in the morning. Cat Williams said the breakdown on cat and what it all means 4 hours ago. Uber Jeep. All right, I love listening to this dude. We're gonna add that. I'm gonna listen to that in the morning. Who the amazing just got some good game. 5 hours, bro. Woo! God damn, that's a lot. We will listen to you. Hey, that's me. The next one's me, guys. Make sure you guys check out AA Creation. That's my other channel. All right. The amazing. I love it, man. I love it. Everyone's posting new videos. I love it. Hey, number 7, that's me. Oh, check it out. Here's the deal. He uploaded a new video 13 hours ago. Perfect. I definitely got to check him out. He follows me. I follow him. The amazing uploaded 2 videos. Gotcha, bro. I'm going to watch both of your videos. Hey, that's another one of my videos. Lyft New York Glitch. I love the rideshare guys. And I think that's everything I can listen to. This guy's actually pretty good too. Money Talk. A lot of good information. All right, that's everybody that I need to listen to. Here we go. Chicago Rideshare Master. Thank you, brother. All right, that's everyone I'm going to listen to. All right, right over here, my friends. Put gas in for 2.5 gallons. $4.55 is the cost at Arco. It hasn't changed. At Costco, it's been changing. I'm going to go check that out right now. Now, as I drive, the first thing I'm going to do is turn the app on. See if these fake clouds show up again. Nope. All right, I will keep you posted. Oh, Canyon Country, look, there's a surge over here. Beautiful. How far away are you? This means there's somebody out there that needs a ride. Hopefully I can get 30 bucks. I've been doing pretty good. Let me show you. How far are you? 20 minutes? Yeah, I got to get going. Let's take a look at historically what we've done on a Saturday. Last week on Saturday, we did $312. That's because of New Year's, right? On New Year's or near New Year's, we're obviously going to make more money. Let's look at the Saturday before. This one's not going to count because I did, well, it does count. $227, not bad. Let's look at the week before. This is the one I think that doesn't count. Yeah, I was deactivated for a day, so this one doesn't count. We are at 105. We're gonna ignore that one. Let's look at another Saturday before that. We did 257, so it's safe to say I can make 200 bucks on a Saturday. Last one, boom, 150. Holy shit, what happened? Oh, I don't know what happened on this Saturday. Hey, that's embarrassing, guys. Oh, I hit my minimum. See, my minimum is 150. That's what it is, 200. See, generally we can hit $200 on a Saturday. Okay, I'm about to pull in for gas to get 2.4 more gallons, but listen to the comment Side Hustle Addict 2 makes right here. Listen to this, it's hilarious.
Lap sướng, man. The white people don't know about this.
He goes, white people don't know about this. He's a Chinese guy, right? And I don't think he's racist, but he's cool. I don't think we're supposed to say white people don't know about this. I think it might be a little bit polite to say American people, because look, guys, American people are the boss, right? We live in their country. Yes, we know they stole it from American Indians, but we have to respect the ruler. The current rulers are not white people. I mean, sorry, they are white people, not American people, white people. I'm gonna get gas, and I'm gonna start showing you stuff like this, where whatever podcast I'm listening to, if they say something funny, just the funny part, I'm gonna share it with you. And look, I drive with the app off, right? If you notice, there was a surge, there was a cloud right here, right? But Uber decided to offer me nothing, no problem. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn it on while I'm getting gas, and if something pops in, I'm gonna run back and check it. Always drive with the app off. There it is. I told you it was there. All right, it's got Uber algorithm. I need minimum $25 to $30. Otherwise, I'm leaving, and I'm gonna end up over here, because this is the secret spot where residents need a ride. So Uber, you got 5 minutes. Okay, I just put gas in Costco, and you have to check something out. If you've been watching my videos, look, it went up again. $4.39. Yesterday it was $4.37. The day before it was $4.33. But look over here, Arco hasn't changed. Arco's still been charging $4.55. Another thing to note here is this. This is just a fun fact, right? Because look, I always put in 2.5 gallons, but at Costco it cost me $11.02. At Arco, it cost me $11.45. So the difference is 43 cents. Does it matter? Hell yeah, if you're an Uber driver. Now, I gave this stupid algorithm, because you know, we don't like this algorithm. It's stupid, it's retarded. I'm sorry, I shouldn't say retarded, because that's mean. That's not nice, you know. We still have to be nice in case artificial intelligence takes over one day. But look, I gave it about 5 minutes. I put gas in. Now I'm deuces. I'm out. I've been hugging the mountain and picking up my first passenger right there, and it's 7 o'clock. Somebody told me yesterday, get there between 6:30 and 7:30. That's where we're gonna go. Shut the hell up. All right, guys, I just pulled over on the freeway real quick. As you can see, the sun's coming up. It's nice and beautiful. I just said shut up. Okay, check it out. I'm just checking out Burbank Airport, because you always have to have a backup plan, right? It's looking pretty good. There's not that many Uber X people. Flights are gonna come in at 9, so I can do a couple of Burbank runs, and I'm gonna put that in. Now, I did go to where I said I was gonna go on the 210. I'm gonna hug the mountain, but I wanted to just give you an update on Burbank and see what that looks like. And if that doesn't work, then in 15 minutes I want to be at Burbank for the 7:30 flights that are landing. And the sun just came up. And check out my brother from Chicago rideshare master. I'm listening to him. He's awesome. If you're not following him, check him out. He's funny. Just listen to him for a second.
Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to all my subscribers, man. Welcome back to all my new viewers, man. We are out here once again, man.
My humble suggestion, check him out. He's funny. He works in Chicago. It's a tough market, but he's always blessing everybody. He always brings in a positive attitude. And, you know, he's a buddy of mine online now. Nothing. I was driving I got $3, I got $8, I got $11. It was going up and nothing. So now I'm right by the airport. And remember, the theme is to slow it down, guys. There's no rush, right? Yes, I can get there and you know, 5 other drivers will cut me off and get there before me, but it's okay. Our money will come because our money is provided by the Lord. God provides, right? Not the Uber driver app. Now I'm gonna play this video on the left for Money Talk. Dude, this guy's cool, but I want you to listen to what he's saying, and then I'm gonna give you my perspective. So pay attention real quick.
It's gonna be rough. So we take 145, same math, you divide it by 3, you get 48 rides per day. That's a lot. It's really hard to do 48 rides. My max, I believe, was 45 or 47. That's the most I've ever done, ever.
Just process that for a second. This gentleman is telling you in order to do something on Lyft app, you got to do 48 rides in a day in order to get that bonus. This is bullshit. Let me show you why it's bullshit. Look. Opportunities, promotions, nothing. I don't do anything. Reservations are cool, but I don't get any, right? Events are cool. Pay attention to where to go, but I do just fine by not doing any of that crap, right? And here, let me just remind you. Let me remind you and show you. Look. Let's just look at a random week. We'll just go back. There you go. Look at this. 50 trips for $1,463. Just process that in your mind, right? He's talking about doing 45, 47 trips in one day to make a measly, whatever, $100, $150 bonus. I do 50 trips the whole week to make $1,463, and I consistently do it. Cherry pick, my friends, cherry pick. And yes, now we're gonna move forward and we're gonna go to the Burbank airport and see what happens and show you my style of cherry picking. So this is me about to pull up. I always like to turn the app off and see what the queue has to offer. It's still showing 6 out of 10. That's what it showed earlier when I was driving there. So this is good news. Hopefully before 9 we can get hooked up. If not, it's all good. Slow it down, my friend. Slow it down. These app companies have enough money. They've made enough profit. The less money they make, it's because the less money you make. The more money you make, the more money they make. Remember that principle. Oh, this is beautiful. I just got into Burbank Airport and there's nobody here. Half the lot is empty, which is beautiful. There's a homeboy over here drinking Starbucks. Bro, I'm not trying to judge you, but that's not healthy. That's $6. And you know, that's one ride that you probably take for $5. Okay, parked, waiting, and there's a real-time queue in underneath, right? So it wasn't 6 out of 10. It was 11 out of 15. But the lot is empty, which is good because that means not too many people are here, or maybe it cleared out already. We'll know. I'm gonna take a quick screenshot so I can keep track of the time. I got here at 7:44. I'm hoping, you know, yeah, we can't see anymore, but I'm hoping, you know, at least, hopefully before 9 o'clock we can get somebody. But if not, we'll work. I gotta make my thumbnails. I gotta respond to a couple of you on my WhatsApp, a couple of you on my Google Voice, and some of you are asking me to make some videos on CapCut and how to put 2 videos together. Some of you are asking me how to make thumbnails, so I will continue making that stuff up. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video and just, you know, it's 15 minutes long. It'll let you know that I didn't make anything. I'm at Burbank, and then the next video will show the passengers that I get. And in the next video, I can basically start showing people, you know, a little bit of what I'm working on. All right, have a blessed day, my friends.